everybody, my name is SnakeEyesBP1980 on the PlayStation 4 system, Xbox 360 and PC. We are doing Cooking with SnakeEyesBP1980. We're going to do something called green bean casserole. I think that's what it is. What we're going to do is we're going to do a couple of green beans. We're going to do a cream of mushroom soup. You can change the soup what you want to something else, like probably cream of celery or some other type of soup that's out there that would work. That's almost like a cream of whatever. It has to be a cream of something, but if you're lactose intolerant, I think that won't work for you. So you may have to skip this one. But anyways, we're going to use cream of mushroom with 2 cans of green beans, and we're also going to do a gluten-free original French fried onions for our cooking experience. So step a little closer and see what we're going to do next. So basically, I already just put in the green beans, the first can of green beans. We're going to put in the cream of mushroom soup right now. And that won't take very long to get out of that. But you got to clean out the rest of this to make sure everything is accounted for. But getting into this is a lot faster than what I expected I was going to get. And then afterwards, you want to get it all flattened out inside here so that you can actually get this can, and then we're going to dump the rest of that in there. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and mix it all together. And then once you're done, once all of this is done mixing up like we're doing here, we're going to go ahead and put the French fried onions and layer it on top. We only had a half a can, so that would go for that. And we're going to move this to the microwave. So once you put this in the microwave here, you want to set this for 3 minutes and let it cook. If you feel like it's not cooked enough, add maybe another 2 minutes or 1 minute, and then you can cook it from that. But other than that, 3 minutes will do. Afterwards, time to eat. Basically, this is basically what the casserole looks like. So basically, it's really good. I like cooking different things or whatever. But if you're like going for a family get together or something like that, and you want to make something quick and get it gone, this is the best way of doing it. With green bean casserole, basically is the easier way of cooking stuff. And if you enjoy green beans, mushroom soup, cream of mushroom, not mushroom soup, cream of mushroom, or cream of anything, that'd be great for you. You could do that in any store that you can go to and get all the ingredients for it. And it's not very hard to do. It's quick, easy, and done. So once you get done with doing that, you can get your spoon and start eating it. Other than that, thank you for coming in here. Thank you for enjoying the content. Do come back and see what I'm going to do next month or whatever on Saturday, and see what we're going to be doing on our next Cooking with SnakeEyesBP1980. Hopefully you guys do come back and see me next time. After you punch that like button like a champion, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell. Do come back and see me next time. Until then, bye for now.